Hey folks, it's Alan here from LearnKoreanFast.com, and I'd like to continue on in this video where we talked before about this, that, and that over there, and just give you a couple of written examples, so maybe that'll be a little more clear for some people, right? So we remember that we had 이것, 그것, 저것. So 이것 is this, 그것 that, and 저것 is that over there away from either the listener or the speaker, right? So remember I said before we can combine that with some nouns, right, in order to differentiate which person or which thing it was we were talking about, right? So just a couple of quick examples here. So 사람, person, right? So 이 사람, this person, close to me, not close to the listener. And 그 사람, a person who's close to the listener, or 저 사람, that person that's over there. We can also use this for 그 사람, 저 사람 whenever we're talking about some person that we met. So 그 사람 했어요, that person did this, right? So we can use that for some person who is not here, right? In place of he or she, right? So sometimes we'll use the person's title, but if we just want to, if you're not sure who that really was, then we can just use person, right? In English, we often want to make sure that we clarify who it was we were talking about, and to talk about someone as just being a human is a little bit kind of strange, but in Korean, it's a pretty common way to do. Okay, so we also have, we can use with fruit. Don't think we've done fruit in general before, right? So 과일, 과일 means fruit. So 이 과일, 그 과일, and 저 과일. So notice that fruit is a plural, right? So it's kind of a collective now. Excuse me, but there's no difference, right? So there are plurals and there are singulars, but in Korean most of the time we're not really using them, and it doesn't change the way the verb forms or the way we can use the differentiators for this, that, and that over there. So that's kind of nice for us. So 이 과일, 그 과일, or 저 과일, that fruit over there. 그 과일, that fruit near you. And 이 과일, the fruit near me. Okay, good. Hope that helps you out. All right, so be sure to hit subscribe, hit like, please share. Thanks a lot for watching my videos, and thanks a lot for those of you who've been checking out the links to my website, and to those of you who have purchased my books on Amazon.com. You'll find those links in the descriptions below. All right, so 다음에 뵙시다.